this is one of the pillowcases that was at the IKEA haul, and if you guys wanted to check out that video, I'll link that above over here. But IKEA had some wonderful things to take a look at, and I picked up these actual pillows here. Love this. It is 3D. It has this soft effect, and then it has the canvas fabric down below. On the back, it's the same fabric. The quality of this is so good, and it was only like 30 bucks. Maybe it was $24. I can't remember, but it was super cheap to me for the quality. I'm gonna place this on the sofa. Not like that, but the other thing that I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna drop this into an existing pillow that we already have. I did pick up the pillow inserts from IKEA as well. They were only like $5, but I'm gonna see the difference between the two and see which one I like best. Whether I'm gonna just use my own inserts or I'm gonna use the IKEA insert. This is just beautiful. Love this. I'm gonna take this pillow off. Right now, I'm just playing with the pillows just to see which combination I like, but I know for sure that I want to use this large ivory diamond pattern pillow in one of the corners, and I purchased 3 of these, and I'm loving what I'm seeing so far with the diamond and then this autumn color. This is the down pillow fill that IKEA has. Guys, this was like $6, and $6 for a 26 by 26 pillow fill is super inexpensive. So I'm going to try to see which one I like the best, whether I keep that one or use. This is so cute. In this additional seating area where I've got these 2 cane back chairs, these are an Amazon find, guys. Ooh, I absolutely love the chairs. I love the height of the chairs, the arms, the fact that it's really sturdy. And right now I'm just playing with the pillow combination to see which pillow I actually like. You guys, I'm gonna let you decide. Leave a comment in the comment section whether or not we're gonna do the terracotta pillow by itself, or whether or not we're going to do the 2 pillow combination with the square terracotta autumn color and mix it with that green. I think it gives it a texture and an element to the space that's not boring. It's fresh, it's a little unexpected, and you know, I'm loving both of them, but leave a comment, let me know which one you like. I cannot say enough about this pillow, guys, for the, just not even for the cost. It is a pillow that looks like it was at least $175, $200. Please go over to IKEA and buy these pillowcases out before they're all gone. It is such a beautiful find. This pillow, it's just gorgeous. So I actually picked up 3 because I'm styling this sectional. So I wanted 3 pillows in this area. So this, the only thing, this is the IKEA insert, the stuffed insert, and I would probably say it's a down, so it's gonna fill out. But if I was placing this in a client's home, I would get 2 inserts for this 1 pillow. switched the chairs, the fabric on the chairs, to the green to tie in with the green. You know, I'm loving the green for the new season. And these two chairs were white before, and it was a faux leather, but this is a little bit more warm, and we're coming back into the earth tone colors. So what I did was I just picked up this throw, and I'm going to place the throw in the middle like so. I think that looks really, really cute. I'm going to place this terracotta pillow inside of the chair on top of the throw, and then add a second throw to the second chair. These throws, guys, I picked up at Home Goods, and I love the color. It's a rich gold, which can be an autumn color. It can also warm up the space, and it has like a checkered pattern with the beige stripes going through it. Absolutely love this, and with the combination of the green, the yellow, and the rust terracotta color. I'm combining the gold nail heads with this lush green plush velvet and this gold throw. This chair is a swivel chair, and it's so comfortable. I love having a swivel chair in a family room next to a television. It just adds so much to a conversation area. Back to the sectional. Finally, I decided on what I wanted to do for the combination. I placed 3 in the corner of the sectional, and then I have 2 pillows on each end of the sectional, the large beige and then the rust terracotta. That combination worked out really good. I removed the 3rd pillow from the end because it was just too much and it was just overstuffed. Then I decided to add our lovely pampas grass to the table, which, by the way, you'll see was a mistake, because once you turn the fans on that's overhead, the pampas grass blows everywhere. Finally decided on this centerpiece for the table, and I absolutely love it. It's a mix of the floral arrangements that are on the outside front door, and then I just threw some cotton balls in there. Absolutely love this arrangement, and it's just perfect for the design concept for this space. Take a look at all of the color that I'm bringing in this year, the autumn color, the terracotta, the 2 chairs that have the cane back, and it's just a little bit of autumn with the green, but I didn't have to really transform or replace things in the entire room just to bring in a little bit of harvest. You're talking about a vase with floral in there and a few pillows and a new rug. Pretty much that's it. Oh, well, let's add the new table that I chalk painted, and I do have a video to show you guys how to chalk paint. But all in all, I absolutely love these colors. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.